Every item we touch, every product we consume, has a story. A journey. From distant factories to our homes, it travels across oceans, continents, and through complex networks. But what if that journey began or ended in a place few ever see? An invisible engine. A place of unimaginable scale, constant motion, and silent power. It's a hidden world, perpetually active, orchestrating the flow of nearly everything. A vast, sprawling nexus that dictates the rhythm of global commerce. What secrets does this colossal machine hold? Imagine a city. Not of people, but of cargo. A landscape defined by steel, concrete, and towering cranes. This is the world's largest port. Not a single harbor, but a sprawling, interconnected organism spanning tens of square miles. It's a place where land meets sea in an epic, continuous dance. Thousands of ships converge here daily, a constant procession of steel giants carrying the literal weight of our modern world. But how does a place this vast, this busy, manage to avoid utter chaos? The journey for countless goods begins with a vessel. A megaship. Some longer than 4 football fields, carrying enough containers to stretch for miles if laid end to end. These titans of the sea approach the port, not just by the hour, but by the minute. Each one a floating warehouse, a critical piece of the planetary supply chain. Their arrival is meticulously coordinated, a ballet of navigation and timing. But what happens once these leviathans dock? How does their precious cargo begin its next chapter? Central to this entire operation are the containers. Standardized, unassuming, yet holding the very fabric of our daily lives. From electronics to food, clothing to raw materials, everything is packed within these steel boxes. Millions of them. Stacked, moved, and meticulously tracked. Each container is a world unto itself, a sealed unit of global commerce. They are the universal language of trade, the modular blocks of the global economy. But their sheer number, their constant motion, it begs a question. How is every single one accounted for? Once a ship berths, the true spectacle begins. Giant cranes, sometimes over 100 meters tall, spring into action. They are the arms of the port, capable of lifting incredible weights with pinpoint precision. Each crane can unload and load hundreds of containers in a single shift. It's a carefully choreographed dance, a race against the clock. The efficiency of this operation is paramount. Every second counts. But what happens if this ballet is disrupted? What are the true stakes of this high-speed transfer? Once off the ship, containers don't simply disappear. They enter the yard. A vast, intricate puzzle where millions of these steel boxes are stacked, sorted, and stored. Imagine a giant game of Tetris, played 24/7, with real-world consequences. Specialized vehicles, from straddle carriers to automated stacking cranes, navigate this labyrinth. Each container has a designated spot, a precise destination. This isn't random. It's a testament to incredible logistical planning. But how do you manage such an enormous, ever-changing inventory? Behind the visible spectacle of cranes and containers lies an unseen intelligence, automation. Many of these ports are highly automated, using sophisticated software and robotic systems to optimize every movement. Driverless vehicles, remote-controlled cranes, and AI algorithms orchestrate the flow. This isn't just about speed, it's about accuracy, safety, and unwavering consistency. The human element, though still vital, shifts to oversight and problem-solving. But what does this mean for the future of work? And what happens when a complex automated system faces an unexpected challenge? From the port, the journey continues by land. Thousands of trucks converge on the terminal gates daily, each waiting for its specific container. They form an endless convoy, carrying goods to warehouses, distribution centers, and ultimately, to our doorsteps. This ground transport network is as critical as the sea lanes. Delays here can bottleneck the entire system, creating ripple effects. It's a logistical symphony, or sometimes, a traffic nightmare. How do they manage to move such an astonishing volume without constant gridlock? Beyond roads, the port connects to vast rail networks, extending its reach deep into the interior of continents. Entire trains, laden with hundreds of containers, depart regularly, bypassing road congestion and reducing environmental impact. These rail links are vital arteries, allowing the port's influence to span thousands of miles. It's an integrated ecosystem where sea, road, and rail converge to power a global economy. But how are these diverse modes of transport seamlessly integrated? What happens when one critical link breaks? Beneath the glow of automated lights and the rumble of machinery, the port still relies heavily on its people. Crane operators, engineers, longshoremen, logistics planners, security personnel. A diverse workforce, operating 24 hours a day, solving problems, maintaining equipment, and making critical decisions. They are the silent heroes, ensuring the relentless flow of goods. Their expertise, experience, and dedication are irreplaceable. What challenges do they face, working in this intense, always-on environment? This enormous machine truly never sleeps. Operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Weekends, holidays, severe weather, the rhythm may adapt, but it never stops. This constant vigilance is crucial. Any pause, any significant slowdown, could have cascading effects. The sheer commitment to this unwavering schedule underscores the port's vital role. But what are the hidden costs of this relentless operation? And what mechanisms ensure continuity even in the face of adversity? Despite its robust appearance, this global machine operates on a fragile balance. A delicate choreography where every movement is interconnected. A single misstep, a minor incident, can quickly escalate. A broken crane, a system glitch, a blocked channel. These aren't just inconveniences. They are potential catalysts for global disruption. The stakes are incredibly high. But why is this system so susceptible to disruption? And what makes even small delays so impactful? Consider the consequences. A delay in one port, a single bottleneck, can trigger a ripple effect across entire continents. Products don't arrive on time. Factories run out of components. Stores face empty shelves. Prices can even surge. This isn't just about inconvenience, it's about economic stability, job security, and national supply. Countries, even far inland, are directly dependent on the smooth operation of this coastal giant. The unseen impacts are far-reaching. How truly global is this vulnerability? What does the future hold for this relentless city of cargo? As global trade continues to expand, so too must the ports. Innovations in green shipping, hyperloop cargo transport, and even more advanced automation are being explored. The challenge isn't just about handling more volume, but doing so sustainably, efficiently, and with greater resilience. The horizon is constantly shifting, demanding adaptation and foresight. How will these titans of trade continue to evolve to meet ever-increasing demands? This port, this city that never sleeps, is more than just a place where ships dock and containers move. It's the great connector. The silent, tireless link between producers and consumers, between economies and cultures. It's the physical manifestation of our interconnected world, working ceaselessly to ensure that the products we rely on find their way to us. Its scale is monumental, its operations complex, and its impact immeasurable. Without it, the fabric of modern life would simply unravel. Its story is, in essence, our story.